Hi guys, it's Bridget, also known as Acquired Style on Instagram and TikTok, and I'm so excited to announce my third collaboration with Luxy Hair. If you don't already know, we came out with the hair roller set about 1.5 years ago, and then about 2 months ago we came out with the brush set, and then today I am launching the heatless curl set. Look how cute the bag is. I swear the bags that we put the products in just keep getting cuter and cuter. Like, are you kidding? So this is a heatless curler that you can sleep in, and I'm so excited because I always have loved using a heatless curl method, whether it be on the plane, going to a trip, or sleeping in it every night to get like a beautiful curl. And so I'm so excited that we created the Beauty Sleep Essentials Kit, which is the perfect heatless curler method. So the set includes the Catching Curls Heatless Ribbon. Look how cute that embroidery is. We have the Still Snoozing Scrunchies. I'm obsessed with these, the little ribbons. Ribbons and bows are so trendy right now, so I love how we can just like use these for obviously keeping the ribbon intact, but also maybe for like a cute little hairstyle or whatever you want to use them for. And then we have the curled up claw clip. Obviously you guys know by now pink is my favorite color, and everything that we have come out with is pink. And I love how all these pinks just like complement each other in the best way. And then obviously we have the Drawstring Pouch, which I told you guys about in the beginning, which will store everything in. Okay, so I thought, what better way to tell you guys about this launch than to give you a little tutorial on how I do my heatless curls with the new heatless curl set. So we take the rod. You want to make sure that it's even on both sides, okay, like this, and you place it on your head like so, and then you take the clip, put it on the top so that it's all secure when you're wrapping your hair around. Okay, so I'm going to be kind of looking in here so I can make sure that I'm doing this right. But so basically you take the front piece of hair, you wrap it around, and then with every next piece you grab a little bit more hair, connect it to the last piece, and then wrap it around again. So you wrap, take more hair, wrap it around again, and this makes it just like super secure, and so that it won't move throughout the night. And this is my favorite way because it's the easiest way and it's just like super quick. There's also a ton of different ways that you can put in the heatless curl. I've seen people take these ends and have them pointed at the top. I've seen people do like a full-on French braid around a heatless curl, which I think is super cool too. But this is my personal favorite way because it's easy, it gets the job done. You get like these gorgeous curls in the morning, and to me that's like what's most important. So, and it's not gonna fall out throughout the night. Like that is like my biggest pet peeve, when you put a heatless curl and it falls out throughout the night and you're like, wait, I just slept in this for no reason because it fell out. Okay, we're taking our cute little scrunchie, gonna wrap the hair around, like literally no cuts. That took like not even 30 seconds to do this one side. Look how cute that is. Okay, now I'm gonna repeat the same exact thing on the other side. Again, like it couldn't be easier. I love how with my heatless curl set, we tried to make the rod more thick so it would come out as more of like a loose curl, more like blowout vibe, rather than really tight curls. So cute and so easy. I also love how the material of these are super comfortable, because I've slept in heatless curls before where I feel like it's just like not comfortable and not a seamless sleeping experience. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. We made it with a very flexible plush fabric, so that way it can be a super nice and cozy sleeping experience. It's also going to glide through your hair when you take it out, so it's not going to have any breakage. We're not going to pull your hair. It's just going to be gorgeous, beautiful curls. And also it's going to prevent creasing, which is another reason why we had this amazing material. So that is the tutorial. That's how we wake up with gorgeous curls, or you could just leave them in for like 2 to 3 hours and you could take them out if you want to go for like a heatless hairstyle during the day rather than sleeping in it throughout the whole night. And you guys can shop the heatless curler set down below. And I really hope that you guys love this heatless curler set as much as I do. I mean, I really think that I'll not only get so much use out of this, but also the scrunchies, the clip, the pouch. I mean, it's just so cute, and I'm so excited for you guys to get them.